Once the dual boiler is set up, we recommend that you familiarize yourself with the various buttons and interface components. Let's take a look at them briefly. The power on-off button. The espresso pressure gauge, which monitors the espresso extraction pressure. The menu button. 1 cup, 2 cup, and manual extraction buttons. And finally, your steam and hot water dials. You can also adjust a range of programmable functions on your machine. To enter program mode, press the menu button. Continue to press the menu button until the desired function is flashing on the LCD. Then use the arrow up and down button to adjust. Program mode allows you to program the shot volume, shot temperature, auto start, clean cycle, and to set the clock. To return to standby mode, press the exit button.